Hello guys, we are going to do another exercise on AutoCAD. So for this, take a point at any distance, whatever you require. So that is by typing point in command line. So I am taking my first point at 100, 100. So here I have my point. So from this point, take a circle with a so I am taking first a circle from this point with a radius of 2 1. So this is my first circle, and again I am taking another circle on this circle. So from the same base point with a radius of 27. So again I am taking in another point at a distance from this point to 65. That is take a point from this point to 65 on x direction. So 65 at 180 degrees, 65 at sorry so 65 from this point to 65, that is, so I am typing the command at here. So at the rate of 65 less than 180. So here we having point, that is from the point between these two, the distance between these 2 points is 65, and at the both are in same axis. So I am taking circle from this point, from second point with a radius of 10. I am taking another point from this point to this 45, from this point to 45, and from this height to 70. That is from here to 70 in this direction, 70 at 90 degrees, and from this is 65. So from point in this point to, which is 45 at 0 degrees. So from these both points which are situated at here, that is from this is 75, this is 100 minus 65, that is 65 minus 45 means this is 20, that is 100 minus 20, this point is 80. So I am taking a point from, this is 100, so this is 80, from 80 on this direction, on x direction it is 80, on y direction it is, so on point on x direction it is 80, on y direction it is 30, 80 comma 30. So here I have a point, so I can delete these two lines. So from this point I am taking a circle with a radius of 17, and again I am taking a circle from this third point with a radius of 30, and again finally I am taking another circle from point 2 with a radius of 20. So these are my 6 circles from the 3 different points, with each and every point consists of 2 circles. So Now taking a line that is tan from this point to this point. So for this, taking here on tangential point, take a line, not like this. First take a line from midpoint, the tangential point, and tangent to this point. So deleting first line, and similarly taking another midpoint, take this tangential point, tangential to this point, and again another tangential to this. So and delete this first point. So this is the way, and take a circle with a tan radius and with a tangential to this line and this circle with a radius of 32. Sorry, I think it's more. No. Take a circle with a tangent to this point to this circle with a tangent radius, that is this circle to this circle with a radius of 32. So here I am first one, and take again circle with a tan radius, that is this is first tangential point and this is a second tangential point with a radius of so I am taking the radius is 100. So this is not like this. So it is an outer diameter. So I am taking tangential from this point to, and another point is this, that is which is 100. Yeah, this is correct. So I am trimming the all additional portions. So then I get like this, taking trim and double enter, trimming unwanted portions, and this and this. Okay, this is my diagram. So and finally I want to be remove this two also. Okay, it is a belt drive with a 3 wheels, so 3 pulleys. This is one pulley, this is another pulley, this is another pulley. So the drive is the belt is moving like this, in this direction. Okay, now